Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to create this responsive portfolio website using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. The source code is available in the description. If you like the content, please do like, share and subscribe. Now let's go through each and every slide. Right now we are in the home section. You can see hover effect on the navbar elements, and you can see an infinity loop of elements here which disclose what the person does, YouTuber, developer. You can see the hover effect on the buttons, and this infinite loop of names that are repeating here is done by using JavaScript library, that is typed JavaScript library. And you can see the sticky navbar as we move to the next section. This is the about section, and you can see the same here. Then you can see the contact me as well as download CV button. Then we can go to the my services. You can see the hover effect and how neatly we have aligned them using the box shadow effect as well, and as well as the icons also. Then we can go to the skills section. Here we have created the bar type representation of our skills. You can see 75%, 80% using CSS and HTML. Then we can go to the testimonial section. You can see here this is done by JavaScript library. Here also we are using JavaScript library for this testimonial section. You can see as it moves from one to the another. You can see like that way, and we can also move from one to another. And then we can go to the contact me section. You can see here we have added the icons as well as the form element and send me button, and you can see an up arrow button to move back to the starting page of the portfolio website. The entire website is made using HTML, CSS and JavaScript, very beginner friendly, as well as it is very responsive portfolio website. That is, it is also available in mobile as well as in tab view. Let me show you the mobile view of the website. You can see this is the mobile view of the website. How perfectly they have all been aligned exactly based on the size of the mobile device. You can see here, we can see the testimonial section, proper alignment as well as the button below it so that we can be able to move. And it is an infinity loop. It will continuously move, showcasing all the testimonials to us. And you can see the contact me section. And now let's see the navbar also. You can see this is the navbar. Very quick, very responsive navbar we have, perfectly aligned, and you can see the hover effects and all. This website is entirely responsive, so it is also available in tab view. This is the tab version of the website. You can see perfectly aligned. You can see two testimonials are right now be showing. And then you can see the contact me section. You can go back to the starting page. So it is a very beginner friendly project and a very professional website, portfolio website. You can make it, it is very useful for you for your resume building, also for your recruiter for getting your first job. And I hope you like the content. I hope you like the portfolio that I've designed. If you want to create your own, the source code and the starter files are available in the description of this video. And if you like the video, please do like, share and subscribe. Now there are a lot of tutorials available on my YouTube channel. You can see the full tutorials. You can get the source code available there. And if you have any suggestions, please let me know in the comment section, and I would love to know your responses. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thanks a lot.